Hi, I'm Roz Dowling, and I'm here just to help out with Jordan Vision with Isaiah and Callie. And I'm happy to be here with you, Desi, and
Yay!
your husband, Henny. It's such a beautiful place. This is the first time I've actually been here, and I want one day maybe hiking this area. But
Nice.
yeah, I gotta be honest with you, I don't fly the drones.
Okay.
I'm actually, when my husband flies the drone, I'm the observer.
Perfect.
And I usually let him know that if there's any birds coming or planes that are close by. So that's what I basically do.
As a visual observer, that is
Yes.
such an important role.
Yes, it is.
It is, because not only are you watching for birds,
Yes.
you're watching for people and everything else.
Yes, and I know that he'd come very close sometimes to birds, and he always let me know if there's any airplanes, which sides. I tell him, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. So that's basically my job.
And an important job it is.
Yes, thank you.
Yay. Awesome. So, what are you doing here at Drone Safety Day?
Actually, I'm helping out Callie for registration and signing them and giving them actually raffles. So,
Ooh, a raffle.
And
What's the raffle for?
well, we have some gifts, but I'm not sure what gifts that they're giving out. So they have some gifts that Bob and the Dempsey bought today.
Okay.
So I think it might be another drone.
Ooh.
So that could be a good one.
Awesome.
So I'm looking forward to that. And
awesome.
Yes.
So if you were going to share one last advice, tip, or suggestion for
Yes.
somebody that was watching, what would you say?
I would say that come and join us, and please, 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 they're also looking for a lot of women to fly drones.
Yes.
Not that many are, I've heard that not that many, but I'm sure one day I will be flying drones, so I can't wait.
Nice.
Yes.
And we can't wait to see you in the sky.
Definitely.
All right. Well, thank you for sharing with us.
Thank you, Desi.
All right. Bye.
Bye-bye now.